Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change crystal orbs in Bounty Rush. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is access your game and you have to rush over to this one option called character boost. Upon tapping on the character boost, you will be able to find plenty of options, and in the bottom section you will find this option of orb exchange. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to see there's three methods for you to exchange it. First would be character fragments. Exchange character fragments for orbs. You have a second option called orbs, which way you will be able to exchange character orbs for crystal orbs, or crystal orbs for the unlocked character orbs. And then you have to remember that acquiring crystal orb is quite very difficult, because like crystal orb will actually let you exchange it for the characters, right? You can see, and then you do have two options of 4-star, 3-star, and 2-star. For that you will have to individually acquire the crystal orb accordingly for you to exchange. And the thing that you can know is you do have plenty of options for here in the exchange window for you to exchange your orbs from. You can choose, as I have mentioned, you can choose your fragment orbs for these special character orbs, which you can use in future here in this game. So all you have to do is simply access the exchange window and choose the kind of orbs you would like your existing crystal for you to change to. All you have to do is choose one, as long as you have the enough quantity of the particular orb, so you can exchange it and change it accordingly. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.